Linux, the invisible tech wizard powering everything from your Netflix binge to SpaceX rockets. Seriously, even your smart toaster probably runs it. Born in 1991 as a Finnish college kid's side hustle, shout out to Linus Torvalds, this open-source rebel kernel teamed up with GNU tools to become the ultimate anti-corporate OS. Today, it's the undisputed king of the internet. 96% of web servers, all 500 top supercomputers, and even Android's secret sauce. Think it's just for nerds? Tell that to your grandma using Ubuntu. Linux is freedom. Tweak every pixel, resurrect your ancient laptop. It's a global coding potluck, 30 million lines of code, and 4,000 more added daily, where everyone's invited, no tracking, no ads, just pure penguin-powered chaos. Well, I know most of the folks out there are using Windows, so imagine an OS that doesn't force updates during your Zoom call and where you can delete bloatware forever. Gaming? Steam Proton lets you play 90% of Windows games natively now, but Adobe Linux runs on Spite and open-source alternatives like GIMP. For Linux veterans, you already know the magic. Bash scripts automate your life, and System D is either your best friend or your sleep paralysis demon. In terms of security, Windows has viruses. Linux has, well, pseudo-privileges. Linux isn't just an OS. It's a toolkit for whatever comes next. Whether you're automating your life, hacking the cloud, or just escaping the spinning wheel of doom, your journey doesn't end here.